guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a quick little review and packing of the cutest little bag ever. This is the JuJuBe Mini BFF, and this is the first time that I have ever had this bag or seen it in real life. I know it's been out for quite a while. I just haven't really had a chance to grab one, or they didn't have a print that I was really wanting to get for me. So when they came out with Social Butterfly, which is the print that's on here, this is quite new, I think it just released, I just thought it looked really adorable in this particular style. So I did grab one from JuJuBe and it arrived yesterday, and I got it basically to use as a handbag for me, for my regular things. And I was skeptical as to what would fit in, but I was so pleasantly surprised. I used this today on our shopping trip, and everything I normally carry fits in this little tiny bag, and it was very comfortable, very lightweight. So without any ado, let's get into the packing portion, and I will go over the features as we go. So this is basically a scaled down version of the regular BFF minus the bottle pockets. So that's what I did notice. I thought it had little side bottle pockets from other videos that I've watched, but this one doesn't. So it doesn't matter. I'm not sure what you would fit in there anyways. But it does have a front mommy pocket. It doesn't have the zip pocket that you would put your phone in normally in the regular size BFF. And then the back does have the slit pocket and one D-ring, which is quite kind of a thick gold D-ring, and then two little D-rings down the bottom here, because you can actually make this into a backpack. You clip the long strap that it comes with here down the bottom here, thread it through this D-ring and clip it on the other side. I did try it like that. I'll be honest, I did not like wearing it as a backpack. I tried it on once and was like, nope, this is not going to work. It just didn't feel comfortable. I think it's just too little to wear as a backpack for an adult anyway. It's probably great on a child, but as an adult, for a backpack style, for me, because I'm 5'9", it just didn't work. So I did use it with the included seatbelt strap today. This is a very thin seatbelt strap. I wish that it was a little bit thicker. I might see if I have one in my collection that I can use instead, but it is very long, like adjustable. So it goes pretty short. So I mean, this is it short, and it's pretty good. It fits nicely over my shoulders short, but I can adjust it to wear it crossbody too. And as I said, I'm quite tall, so it does have a lot of length to it for a mini bag. And the D-rings on the side are nice. The hardware is pretty decent. It's not too flimsy. Just give you a close-up of that right there. So I was pretty impressed with the strap. It does come with gold zipper pulls here with the like Legacy Collection gold. It's kind of a yellow gold. It's a very pretty contrast with this particular print, the Social Butterfly. I did get really nice print placement. You guys can see there, beautiful blue butterfly on the front. I was pretty happy with that actually, because it's always a lucky dip as to what you're going to get on your prints. And then here's the side print placement I got. Back, these are so pretty, these ones too. And then the other side here. So I'm kind of pleased with all the butterflies I got. The bottom of this bag does not have feet, but it is pretty cute. Like you don't really need it. I don't think it matters if it doesn't have feet, but you know, just to let you know. So let's start with the back here. So this little pocket I use to put my mask in. These are some masks I got from American Eagle. So I got 2 packets. I did post on my Instagram about these. So this particular packet of 3 that I got isn't adjustable, but it does have a little wire at the top here, so it can adjust to stay on your nose, which I really like. And it does have the insert, like the little pocket here to put a filter in if you want. So those are really nice. And then the other packet I got has adjustable sides, which I will pop a picture up with my daughter who's 4 wearing that today. At the store, she wanted to wear it even though she's not required to. I try to get her to, but you know, so that did actually fit on her face well. So yeah, so if you want to check those out, definitely do so. They're really, really good. So there's a little grab handle here. You can fit your like fingers through there. That's better. You obviously can't fit your wrist through there, but it's handy to kind of grab. The stitching on this is pretty nice, as you can see there. All right, so let's get into the actual pockets. So this front pocket here is a little zip pocket, just like the regular BFF. There's no organization on the inside, but you can see that pretty blue. It's so pretty. I do have 2 lip products in here, so that was kind of handy. I could fit those in. You could definitely fit your keys in there. You could fit a coin purse in there, I'm pretty sure. So that type of thing, and that was really handy today. And then there are 2 zipper pulls, which I kind of like. I think that's really cool they did that on the little Mini BFF on this print. So this does open up like this, and the only pocket on the inside of this bag is the little mesh pocket at the back. So I was able to fit my things kind of standing up at the front here. So I do have my phone. This is an iPhone 11 Pro, just like the smaller one, not the Max, like across here. And then I've got my regular things that I carry, like my Rosalie coin purse here from Louis Vuitton. So that was like standing up. And then my key clay, which I'm actually using for my keys at the moment. I'm trying that out. Instead of using it for my lip stuff, I'm using it for my keys. So that actually fits. So that fits standing up like that too, which is nice. So it kind of gives you an idea of how tall it is. Take those out. Okay, now this is my Louis Vuitton mini pochette. This does fit sideways in there pretty well. There's actually a little room on the side here that I could stick my, this is a hair clip, so I could stick that in there as well. But just to let you know, if you are a Louis Vuitton person, the mini pochette does fit in here really, really well. In this little mesh pocket at the back here, I do have my mini white pouch. So if you have a mini white pouch, know that that does fit in there pretty comfortably. And there you go. So that's a little look on the inside, a bit empty. It does have gussets on the side here. And then it has a cardboard on the bottom here. No pockets on the inside, on the sides like the regular BFF. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this little thing. I kind of want to get another one now. These are pretty cheap. These are only, this was $40. So that's not bad for a JuJuBe item. See how it's folding like this? It did come packaged like this though, which I wasn't very happy about. But once everything's in there, it unfolds and stuff. So really, really cute. So I do love this bag. I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please pop them below. If you did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up so it lets me know you're enjoying my content, and also consider subscribing to my channel and checking me out on Instagram. Hope you're having a great day, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.